Businesses still need websites, as we all know, even though creating a social media account just takes a few minutes. Although social media channels are fantastic and very practical for sharing your current messages, I see them more as links. Additionally, bridges must lead someplace. Ideally, they lead to a brand's website, which is its actual home in the huge world of the internet. Although it might seem like a difficult undertaking, Canva is making the process simpler than ever. But there's more to our tutorial for today. What could that be? Keep watching and wait for the end to find out. Canva has to be the go-to platform when we talk about user-friendly designing websites. Aside from having a lot of free elements and features, Canva is not that complex to use like the other editing applications we know of. It shows how beginners are welcome to try and learn to design their first product. Let's just put it as a website for the sake of this video. Here. Before we continue, let's define a website. To put it simply, collection of files and related resources accessible through the World Wide Web and the Internet via a domain name. To be more specific, it's a live, working, 24/7 online presence that may be utilized for marketing, customer assistance, product description, entertainment, and portfolio display. Possessing one lends credibility. It increases confidence and gives your company a more polished appearance. Using a template is the most basic method to begin going. Look through the various templates by typing website into the search bar on the Canva homepage. Crown-adorned items are reserved for expert users. Anyone can access anything without. Let's examine a template for real estate. Anywhere you click will lead it to open in a new tab. Please feel free to refine the search keywords as well. You'll get a far more focused variety to go at if you search for fashion websites, portfolio websites, or even educational websites. You may change everything in this section. After that, I'll alter and adapt this to create my own design. Although this is coming together rather nicely, I want to make a call to action to the viewer on the first page. An audience is directed to interact or take action by a call to action, or CTA, as prompt on a website that asks users to perform a specific action like signing up for a newsletter, downloading a demo, or buying a product. Choose the text box you wish to connect. Right-click and choose Link. You may select another page on the website or input an external link here. A preview button is located at the upper right corner. To check out the appearance and try out the links, click on here. You can also choose to view its appearance on different displays, such as a tablet or smartphone. Your design will be automatically resized to fit the various aspect ratios as a result. Now is a good time to check for any difficulties with responsiveness. Now let's examine the following step and its publication process. The option to utilize an existing domain or select a free domain appears when you click the Publish Website button in the upper right corner. We'll go with free. You will be given a URL here by Canva. This is how you can change it. You have 160 characters or less to describe your website in the site description. Here, provide a brief yet interesting overview of the page. A target keyword will aid in the page's indices and ranking by search engines. To prevent search engines from seeing your website, choose this checkbox. If all you want to do is send a link to a select group of individuals, this is fantastic. Excellent to gather recommendations or comments from your customer or team. By limiting access with a password, you may increase security even further in this case. Once you're satisfied, click the large purple Publish button. And it truly is that simple. You now have a beautiful, fully functional website that you can keep updating and refining. Even better, now that they have a reliable location to locate you day or night, your audience and consumers may reach you whenever they choose. Now, time for the great surprise. As a celebration of reaching 40,000 views, we will be organizing a contest that will be participated by our avid supporters. What you have to do is wait for the next upload to know the exact details on how to join. That's it. Quite simple, right? Who would have thought that a website that requires years to learn with programming languages will only be done within a few minutes using Canva? Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching it until here. See you next time.